was your day? Greetings, my educated people. Welcome to the Now You Know TV. On this channel, we take you out of the ordinary and bring you to facts and logic. You try, learn, and discover new things. We do sit-down videos, interviews, and vlogs. Welcome to the video. Yes.
Can you smile? Smile kote.
15 simple ways to make anyone smile. We all want to smile. But how can you make someone smile? How can you turn someone's day into a shining, bright, yellow day? So number 1, buy someone some groceries. We are living in the hard times, and at times we like the cabbages, we like the tomatoes. So go to the soko, let him some groceries and bring. Here you are. And then give it to that person with a smile. That is number 1. Number 2, grab high things. For example, sifiki kitu, mtu ako hivi, afiki, just grab for them. Here you are. And then smile. You will make someone smile. Number 3, throw a surprise party. Yeah. Yes, throw a surprise party. Ile mnamba, funga macho. Then a surprise party. Number 4, yes, surprise. Mimi sijai surprise you so. Number 4, help pick up fallen things. Kitabu yangu imeanguka, mimi sipasi kuokota, nisaidie tukokota. So unaokota tu, unamwambia here you are with a smile. Good. Number 5, buy someone a meal. Like for example me, imagine me yellow. I need someone to take me for a dinner. I'm a lunch. Unajua? Buy someone a meal. But then my educated people, my favorite meal is biryani, chicken biryani. Na juice ya passion. Alafu na music. Yeah, so take someone for a meal. Just pay for someone for a meal. Then another one is number 6, make breakfast in bed. Yes, karoka milala hivi. Alafu breakfast in bed. You'll just make someone smile. Then number 7, donate. Donate your clothes, donate your shoes, donate. Number 8, leave a tip. Imagine mama mboga unamnunulia tomato za 10 bob, alafu mwambie aki chukua hii 50 bob. Atafurahi. Yes, so leave a tip. Ule mama mboga, ile mama, mimi sisemi ulive katika hoteli kubwa. No, I want you to live to those small people. Watu wa mchicha, mtu wa boda. Imagine mtu wa boda anakulipisha 50, mwambie take 100 bob. Mwambie tu just keep change. I want you to be happy and just smile. Yes. Then another one is offer an umbrella. Hey guys, kuna time wacha niwaambie. Kuna time nilikuwa naenda mahali nanyeshiwa, I was like my hair. And then someone just came with an umbrella. Mom, nenda, wacha nikupeleke, tukaenda. I smiled. Yes, so offer an umbrella. Another thing that you can do, give someone a coffee. Give someone some coffee and tea. Sitaki kutumia broken English. Give someone some coffee or tea. Yes. Mama ukimpatia some tea, akata expect ana smile. Yeah, kachai. Yeah, so give someone some tea or coffee. Then number 11, you can just help someone take a picture. Especially sisi madem. Simu yangu kwa wapi? Tena angalie. By the way, let me show you. So, mimi niko hapa nachukua picha. Nasumbuka sioni ndakuonekana bamba haionekani. Just I'm going to bring. Let me take you. You take someone a photo. Okay? You will make someone smile. Another thing that you can do is Number 12, help carry bags. Of course, bags are usually heavy, so help them carry bags. It will make them and anyone smile. So we all need to smile from one point to another. Life iko na stress. So I hope this video has made you to smile and has inspired you to make someone else smile. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And then tunasema bye bye. Intro imeisha leo. Bye bye. With all kisses and love. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Nimechukua. Okay.